Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will tell you how to create a quiz on Telegram. When you select a right answer it shows congratulations, and when a wrong answer it shows red. So let's get started. Open your channel where you want to post a quiz. Here you can see a pin icon in this channel, click on it and then go to poll. After that you have to ask a question. You can put any question you want to ask from your subscribers. After putting a question you have to put two minimum option here in this question. After that click on quiz mode, and then you have to select the right answer of this question, and then you have to send it on your channel. Now you can see when someone click a right answer it shows congratulations. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.